Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKEM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will recite chapter 2 with meaning from sloka number 11. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Ashocyananvashocastvam Prajnavadamscha bhashase Gatasumscha Nanushocanti Panditaha. Lord said, "You have spoken wise words and lamented for those who do not deserve lamentation. The learned lament neither for the living nor for the dead. Natve vahanjatu nasam natvanneme janadhipaha na chaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayamatah param." There was never a time when I or you or any of these kings here did not exist, and all of us shall certainly exist in the future too. Dehinosmin yatha dehe kaumarai yauvananjara tatha dehantara praptihi dhirastatra namuhyati. Just as the embodied soul experiences the different states of the body, like the childhood, adulthood, and the old age, so will it acquire another body after death. Learned persons are never deluded about this. Matras sparshastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkadaha आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षक्ष्व भारत. Joy, sorrow, heat, cold, or temporary experiences arising out of contact with the sense objects. O son of Kunti, you must learn to tolerate them, O descendant of Bharata. Yam hi nau vyathayantye Purusham Purusharshabha Samadukha Sukham Dhiram Somrutatvaya Kalpate. And that wise person who endures such dual aspect of sense perceptions, to whom joy and sorrow are one and the same, is eligible for eternal life. O best among men. So he is telling Krishna is telling Arjuna as a best among men. Nasato vidyate bhavaha na bhavo vidyate satah ubhayorapi drishtontaha tvanayostatvadarshibhihi. That which changes with time cannot be considered eternal and is not the ultimate reality, because the ultimate reality is neither temporary nor does it change with time. It is indestructible. This is the conclusion that the seers of truth have arrived at after having deliberated on both the aspects. Avinashi tu tadvidhi yena sarvamidam tatam विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति. Know that all pervading is indestructible, the all pervading consciousness and the imperishable soul can therefore never be destroyed. Antavanta ime dehaah nityasyoktah sharirinaha anashino prameyasya tasmadyudhyasva bharata. Thus, it is only the eternal body that the imperishable, indestructible, and immeasurable soul inhabits that is destroyed. Hence, get up and fight, O descendant of Bharata. Yaye nau veti hantaram यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते. It is only the bemused person who thinks that it is the soul which destroys and that is the soul that is destroyed. The soul neither destroys nor can be destroyed. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. The soul has no birth or death. It has no being and hence will never cease to be. Birthless, deathless, and without a beginning or the end. The soul is not destroyed when the body is destroyed.